little smart Ford car, Ford KA, and it's a 1.2 Studio, 2011 model. Let's go for a test drive. This afternoon we've got a Ford car, a Ford KA, depending how you want to, or how you're familiar with pronouncing it, but there you go. It's a 1.2 Studio on a 2011. Really nice car. This has got some nice features which we'll show you when we get inside. Just have a quick look out here. 3-door, 4-seater. Nice jazzy interior. Seat belts in the back. There are the loops there for the Isofix kiddie seats. Let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Stereo's working away nicely, we'll do away with that. And then flashers and that. Okay, so we've got 90,509 miles on the clock. But everything's nice and warm in here, it's cold today. That heater's working very well. And look at this, proper retro look. We've got wind down windows. Manual adjusting mirrors. There we go. Steering wheel control for the stereo. No, we don't have any of those, but there we go. You can just reach your stereo there. Right. Now then, this is what's good to look at. Look at this. Look, we've got a front and rear camera. I presume they're recording all the time. We weren't expecting to get it with the car, so I don't really have much information on it. But I do know that you can see forwards and backwards on these two cameras, and it's very difficult with my phone, but can you see it's also your rear mirror as well? So it does too. Oh, you can see the mirror there, look. So that's nifty, isn't it? And I'm sure that'll help a lot with the insurance situation. It also has those blind spot mirrors on both of the wing mirrors, which is going to help people spotting stuff hiding away in the corners when you're driving along. We've got an auxiliary port down here, 12 volt, which I presume has got the camera plugged in. And then there's a cup holder there as well. Nice smart interior. Nice and clean on the headlining. I like it in here, I think it's very jazzy. Look at that nice painted dash there. Good, real good. Right, let's have a look outside. Seems to have its original Ford, very jazzy wheel trims on it. Now then, going down here, a little bit of a chip there, look. And that door seems okay. A little bit of a car park ding on there. Corner looks good. Plastics at the front are all good. Not much shine and chipping in the. Oh yeah, there's a few bits of stone chips in the bonnet if you get close. That corner's okay. That wing's good. Looking good down that door and this back wing. Again, the corner of the bumpers are fine. Nothing across the back there, and this car is looking good as well. Okay, we're batting along 50 miles an hour. We're going to do a short brake test right here and now. Here we go. Steering wheel, we pulled up squarely, no pulling to the left or right, no vibrations, that's what I wanted to see. The orange light on the dash is because we're down on petrol, it's not a warning light or anything other than petrol. Okay, so we've got these dash cams going on this car here. At the minute I've got my foot on the brake and it puts it so you can see backwards. I presume that's so in case anybody runs in the back of your ear from when you're going backwards. And then when you go forwards, it switches to the front camera and a small view of the rear camera. You can still see in the mirror. We're not really sure about what it all works, but it's there, it's great, and I'm sure it'll be a big bonus to our bicycle car. Right, we're going to do full lock here. This is what we like to show you the vehicle full lock. Make sure there's no clumps of groans and whines from the steering or anything. Here we go. This is full lock one way. And then full lock backwards. You can see the camera swapped over there. Full lock backwards. No groans or anything. All nice and quiet. So let's zoom off up the hill and see how long it takes us to get up to 50 miles an hour. Just put the side lights on, you can't see the clock as well. It's a bit of a grey Cumbrian day. There we go. Oh, it's quite nippy this. Got a rev counter as well, look. And that's us at 50 miles an hour, pulling away nicely. So this car is £30 a year for the road tax. It's in Group 5 insurance. I'll just check that on the video, I'll put it on the text. Quite a lot of service history and stuff with it. Got both keys, seems to have every MOT. Okay, it's HPI clear. As I've said, we've got lots of paperwork with it. We're going to do a diagnostic check on it and we'll be doing our pre-delivery inspection. So it'll be fully checked out, ready for the new owner, and we'll give you as much information as we can. I like this car, it's a really bright car, it's got a jazzy interior, and I'm sure whoever buys it will be delighted with it. If you like what you see, get in touch.